Dun naman sa sa konsepto nung ano, nung yu yun, aliens coming in. There is a point. I agree. It could be either way. No? On the one hand, tama rin naman na ano na wag natin discount yung ano yung
Ingenuity.
ingenuity ng mga tao, sinuunang tao. But the flip side is, it is also possible. Why not? No, why not leapfrog that? No, diba? If there's hopefully benevolent alien race that said, hey, let's help these guys become more advanced, and then oops, punta sila dito. Why not, diba? And actually, if that were the case, I would think maswerte tayo kasi, diba, instead of having to rack our brains to develop our technologies, we were guided along by these greater beings. So I think either way, it's a good thing, no? But I think we have to leave. I'll end by saying na kung ano man yung state of mind ng mga sinaunang tao, these people, early explorers of the world, whether or not they were helped by aliens, we have to give them props at least for being daring and adventurous, no? Kasi katulad niyan, the invention of fire, yes, granted nga na baka nakita nila tinamaan ng kidlat, tapos naisip nila, okay, maybe let's figure out how to make fire for ourselves. But what about other technologies like metalworking, di ba? Sinong genius yung nakaisip na siguro pag nilagay ko sa apoy itong bato at natunaw siya, magkakaroon siya ng something na pwede kong gamitin pangpukpok ng ibang bagay, di ba? That's an amazing thing.
Yeah.
Or even something close to home, di ba? Who was the brilliant person who saw this white thing coming out of a bird's butt and say, "Hey, I can eat that." Di ba? May
Ano
ganun,
yun?
di ba?
Ano yun? What birds ba? What are you talking about?
Di ba? Itlog.
There are
Ah,
like
yeah. Yung itlog.
trial.
Diba,
Yeah.
sinong baliw na nag-isip na, uy, lumabas to
Para
dun
pa
sa
yung
buhok ng
honey, di
manok,
ba?
kakainin ko
Oo.
siya, diba? Or honey, diba? Parang
Oo.
magtsatsaga ako, magpakagat kasi, masarap pala to, diba? So,
No.
They're
I
hiding
think
something there.
And we also have to be thankful to those people kasi without their sacrifices.
oo,
Like
diba?
for example, yung mga mushrooms, how are they
Exactly,
able
oo.
to
Oo.
know kung alin yung nakakamatay or hindi, alin yung
Diba?
edible or hindi.
Imagine.
And
Poison
all
test.
mushrooms are edible ones.
Oo, diba? Parang,
Yeah.
Og died the other day. I'm not eating that mushroom. Diba?
ang mga champion diyan yung mga Chinese eh. There's a few videos I saw na there are plants na poisonous siya supposedly, and then you would have to extract something, parang some kind of tofu na ewan, di ko parang mukha siyang tofu. Tapos it comes from a fermented root o katas ng fermented katas ng root na, na isang supposedly poisonous na plant. 'Di ba? And ang dami niyang steps para makarating ka doon. 'Di ba? Paano sila nakarating doon sa step na 'yon without dying? Ilan nang
Diba?
namatay?
Trial and error.
Ilan nang
Ko
namatay?
Grabe talaga yung trial and error for us
Oo,
to
'di ba?
come to that.
Sino mga
Kasi
baliw na
usually those
Siguro
those
animal
poison.
experimentation talaga.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, well,
so
the guy who figure out that if you put smoke dun sa beehive, the bees will go away and you can
Oo,
take it,
diba?
'di ba?
Oo.
Diba? So,
So,
They fall asleep.
yeah. So going back to your question, it could be either way, but swerte tayo in the end, di ba? Either it was our ancestors just
Wait, can
brave.
you repeat that? Nag-choppy eh. Can you repeat?
Ay, sorry.
Can you repeat?
Either way,
Either way,
swerte tayo kasi it's either ancient aliens is true or not. If it's not true, then we have to give props to ancient people kasi napaka foolhardy nila talaga. Experiment sila sa trial and error talaga sila to get things
yeah,
right.
exactly.
But the flip side is, swerte din tayo kasi if it's true that ancient aliens gave this to us, then wow, parang thanks guys. Parang, hey, we did all the dying for you back in our distant past. So here you go. Diba?
Yeah.
So swerte din tayo in that regard.
Let me just add something that I often say here na parang it's parang right now kasi we live in a world with smartphones, with the internet. We have basically the entirety of human knowledge in our pockets. But sometimes we think we're smart like that, 'di ba? Pero if you really think about it, let's say you get time traveled again, 'di ba? Sa let's say caveman maybe ano na, siguro 1,000 years before na Philippines. I don't know. Would you be able to navigate using the stars? Di ba? Would you be able to figure out days, weeks, years? Would you be able to create a calendar, 'di ba? Just by watching the heavens, 'di ba? It's kasi feeling ko hindi ko maiisip 'yun eh. Because I'm too busy fending for myself, not trying not to die, 'di ba? And there are people who were able to do that. And sometimes kasi we think na parang we're superior compared to ancient peoples, even cavemen. It's just that ang sabi kasi if you put a caveman today, he'd be just as smart as us. He'd be as just as capable. Kung ano yung pwede nating malaman, malalaman din niya nung mga Homo sapien na caveman before. So, yun lang. Okay. So, anybody else wants to add with that or should we move on? Okay, so ngayon, let's ano na lang. Siguro before we end, let's think about the future. Let's say paano kung totoong may alien. 'Di ba? Let's say, I don't know, malay mo kasi there's this thing called Project Bluebeam. I don't know if you've heard about it. It's basically parang gagawa sila ng fake holographic alien invasion, may mga UFOs. I don't know what the scenario is gonna be, but it's gonna be they're gonna be using sophisticated hologram. It could be, let's say, Jesus Christ returning, 'di ba? It could be an alien invasion, but it's fake. It's a hologram using whatever laser technology, whatever they're gonna use, and it's designed to fool people to become united, to basically to create world peace and forget about all our transgressions against each other. What do you think?
Sounds
Is
like the
that
plot to Watchmen.
Oo nga eh, 'di ba? It's pero I don't know. Right now kasi like let's say if let's say sa Iran, sasabihin nung ano, 'di ba? Tigilan niyo na ang pag-jihad niyo. Bigla may gagano, 'di ba? Tapos it's manipulation. I don't know if our yung hologram technology would be enough to be convincing, but I don't know. And also, yung mga supposedly ni-reverse engineer ng mga tao, ng mga scientists natin from alien tech. So, if they've been reverse engineering flying saucers from the 40s, 50s, then either nagawa na nila, hindi lang nila nilalabas, or they failed, hindi nila magawa. 'Di ba? Kasi hindi pa natin kasi wala pang mga flying saucers na makikita tayo dito. So what do you think about that, TJ?
Or that's what they want us to think.
Oo.
Andun yung I have to say I'm sorry, but I hate Bayformers, Michael Bay's Transformers. Well, at least from the fourth
Oo.
movie onwards, no. Pero maganda yung ano eh, yung premise ng unang movie na essentially Transformers are alien tech, di ba? Pero
Yeah.
instead of releasing it all in one go, parang patingi-tingi yung nilabas nila. So I think that makes sense, no? If I were a world government, or if I were just a singular powerful government, and I had this advanced technology, I think it would be prudent not to release it into the world in one go. Diba? Yung
Why?
pasimple-simple ka kasi you would draw too much again. Well, again, this veers sort of into conspiracy theories, ano, na
Yeah.
you wouldn't want to draw attention to yourself. No? If you would, it's plausible at the very least to think that, if you are a government that has this advanced technology, you don't want other governments to have it, and you don't want the public nosing in on it. you want to keep it and control it for yourself, but you still want to use it, right? So
Mhm.
one way to do that would be to, instead of reveal it, surprise, ang high-tech namin is unti-unti mo ilalabas, which goes back to the story of the Transformers na supposedly the transistor daw is actually a stolen part from Megatron's body. They analyzed the
Mm.
body, okay, gumawa siya. So pwedeng ganun na, and look at what history has shown us now na naging advanced yung United States because of semiconductor technology, which outwardly they're saying, hey, we're so smart, we invented this, pero yung pala galing sa aliens yung technology, di ba? Uh, it's a very, at the very least, it's plausible, I think, na hindi siya ilalabas unti.
Well, but then again, back then kasi Cold War yun eh. Wouldn't it be beneficial if they just overwhelm Russia? Na parang, look at you, and look at me, look at us pala, 'di ba? Na parang parang lalaban pa ba kayo? Diba? If they come out with a flying saucer back then, I think Russia would have shut up.
Well, it sounds like, honestly, it sounds like something Trump would do, you know?
Oo.
But yeah, I guess, but no, it sounds like something Trump would do, but he hasn't. So yun, take that as you will.
Oo nga eh. Kaya nga parang ano yan eh, parang let's say when they say na may conspiracy theory na may gamot na sa cancer, tapos withhold lang, pero namatay si Steve Jobs sa cancer eh. Parang you'd think Steve Jobs won't be able to have access to that cure kung
Right.
meron nga, 'di ba?
Or
So,
or maybe the being inside him decided to go back home. Kaya kunwari namatay siya sa cancer.
oh, oo nga no.
Di natin alam.
It's well, but then again, let's go back to my other question. What if how would kasi how would society change if there is uh malalaman mo lang, let's say may mga aliens pala na mga world leaders na parang secret invasion, o kaya yung kapitbahay mo alien pala, 'di ba? O kaya how would religion change? Comicsman Crossfire is a fully independent production that champions free speech through real conversations, principled debates, and unfiltered exchange of ideas from the best people we can find. You can support this program by joining our YouTube membership, which gives you access to the unedited live streams of the episodes, or by sending direct donations through this QR code. Salamat at mabuhay kayong lahat. 'Di ba parang how would it affect? Kaya nga ba una kong ano dito, mag-i-invite ako ng pari sana eh. 'Di ba? Or
Oo, yeah.
pastor. That was my original plan. Yun nga lang wala akong makuhang ano eh. 'Di ba? To give a perspective on that aspect. Kasi whether we like it, whether you're a believer or not, madami talagang mga
Right.
religion
And
is a part of society.
right. And
Mm.
even if you are a believer, incidentally, for the record, I'm agnostic, no? But
Mm.
even if you are a believer at nagkaroon ng proof ng aliens, you can't help but ask, did Jesus die for their sins? Why
Exactly,
or
'di
why
ba?
not? Diba?
Yeah, 'di ba? So it's those are real questions that kasi meron ng chismis na ano eh. Actually merong isang tele-evangelist na basta meron siyang viral na clip sa X. He was saying na nagpatawag daw yung isang congressman sa US to tawag dito, to brief them about the upcoming alien declassifications. Na parang basically ang idea is to prepare their congregations to whatever news that will come up afterwards. 'Di ba? Kasi parang wow, paano 'yan? Ano yung sasabihin natin? I don't know. Kung kasi right now yung mga ni-reveal nila, one, it's very tedious to sort everything out by yourself, 'di ba? So, hindi mo talaga alam. And by now, it's been, like you said kanina, it's been a while. So, yung mga may oras para gawin yan, they would have already sorted things out. And kung meron talagang big reveal, it would have been known already. Pero so far, wala pa na parang mawiwindang yung buong mundo. 'Di ba? So, I don't know. But then again, hindi pa naman daw lahat yun eh. Baka inuunti-unti lang. What if in the next few days or weeks there's a big reveal. Kaya nga yung sinasabi na Project Bluebeam, other iterations of it might be parang parang pine-prepare, maaring conspiracy theory yan na parang it will be blamed on aliens, whatever nefarious thing they're gonna do, they're gonna blame it on aliens. That's why they are basically parang pine-prepare na nila yung mga tao na may mga aliens na, may ito totoo to, 'di ba? Parang tawag doon, kinokondisyon na yung utak natin about aliens para pag sinisin nila yung aliens, maniniwala tayo.
And it would be really interesting to see kung paano tayo magko-coexist with aliens if they do exist. See tayo nga, hindi tayo magkasundo-sundo and there are different uh, idealized hierarchies. Parang
Yeah.
may hierarchy tayo na, I mean, invisible but we feel yung hierarchy sa atin. So, ano ba yun yung pag dumagdag pa yung aliens? Madadagdagan ba tayo ng meron bang higher or lower dun sa hierarchy na yun?
Yeah, I think kasi kung merong aliens dito, I don't think they've sent the best of them. 'Di ba? Why would you send your prince, 'di ba, to Earth kung alien civilization ka? Why, 'di ba? Parang siguro di ko alam kung maybe the lowest among them would be sent if there are. I don't know, ha. If, 'di ba? Ano mang gagawin nung let's say diplomat nila, magdadala ba sila ng diplomat dito? 'Di ba? I don't know. So, kung yung lowest nila would be parang super ultra superior na sa atin, what more would be yung talagang leaders nila, the elites of them, 'di ba? How about you, Charles, Chuck?
Well, my first theory would be if the aliens did come here, what makes us so special that they communicate with us? There are species here that have been here longer than us. Paano kung mga apis yung gusto nila kausap? Cockroaches have been here since the time of dinosaurs. So who knows, maybe aliens can communicate with them more because they've been on the planet longer than us. Diba? So aside from humanoid aliens that we think are already hiding among us, I don't think it will change much because yun nga, even with clear evidence to the contrary, a lot of people still would deny it. That's why we still have flat earthers. No?
That's why we still have what? Sorry?
Flat earthers.
Flat
People who think
earthers.
the earth
Okay.
is flat.
Okay.
And then yun nga, maybe the aliens here are actually thinking that the earthlings are actually from another dimension as well and they're communicating with them instead of us. Paano kung yung mga cryptids or ghosts na parang that linger here are actually cross-dimensional beings who are the actual earthlings aside from us? Huh? Just a theory I was thinking about. I haven't seen anything like it yet in media. Maybe pwede ko siyang gawing book for purpose.
Yeah. Well, if speaking of interdimensional beings, an interdimensional being might be what the Bible would call a demon or an angel, 'di ba? So a lot of believers actually think like that. Na parang yung mga aliens, they're actually demons or angels. So kaya nga relevant din yung perspective ng mga religious leaders about it. So, what do you think, Charles?
Well, for me, yun nga, speculation is fine. Cultural speculation is something we can use ourselves with, maybe connected to, or until we have actual evidence, it's all speculation from them. Or it can be nice to think of. Kasi yun nga, I'm also an agnostic atheist like DJ. I'm not sure what your theism, atheism, linear result is. Or I'm an agnostic as well. So I don't know. But I like to think about it sometimes.
Yeah. How about you, Camila?
I'm actually a believer. I
Uh,
believe in a higher being. I
mhm.
I
Me too.
I believe in a higher being, but I'm not really. I don't really practice, if I make sense.
Okay.
So,
Yeah.
yeah, I don't really have much to add to that because I don't want to dwell on the spirituality of things related
Okay.
to.
That's fine. That's fine. Yeah. So it's definitely kasi another aspect of this is yung geopolitics, 'di ba? Will let's say there are aliens. Will they be pro China, pro America, or pro something else? Pro mali mo sana maging pro Philippines sila, 'di ba? 'Di ba biglang maging superpower ang Pilipinas dahil sa mga aliens for some reason. 'Di ba? Kasi tayo yung bumabangga sa mga bagyo. I don't know. But if kasi right now suspiciously laging Amerika yung laging nauuna sa mga ganyan-ganyang bagay. The United States declassified their UFO shit. How about China? Alangan namang wala silang UFO shit, 'di ba? Meron din yan malamang eh. Russia. And mali mo baka sa Pilipinas meron din, hindi lang natin ano. Kasi bakit naman hindi? Bakit naman walang UFO na mapapadpad dito? 'Di ba? Parte rin naman tayo ng mundo. O kaya dun sa mga dagat natin, 'di ba? Or anywhere else. What if there's a hidden alien na I don't know, parang tribe somewhere in Africa that's just parang Wakanda sila dun. I don't know, 'di ba? And kung sino man yung sasaniban nila no magiging I don't know if they're gonna be kumbaga well speculate assuming that they'd be vastly superior than us, 'di ba? Kasi kung parang tayo lang edi edi pwede natin it's not much of a threat kung tayo rin lang, 'di ba? But if they're vastly superior and they can call for backup, 'di ba? Yun ang problema. Kasi the best thing that we can hope for is one, sana hindi sila hostile. Kasi there could be hostile aliens if they're an invading alien. What are we gonna do, 'di ba? And if they are diplomatic enough to deal with us for some reason, 'di ba? Given our stature as biological beings, 'di ba? Then that would be nice to think about. Although tingin ko kung meron dadating dito na talagang superior, hopefully hindi naman sila they'd be enlightened enough not to destroy, but I don't think they're gonna be treating us as equals. Hopefully hindi lang sila kumbaga they're gonna be racist aliens. Feeling ko. What do you think? What do you think TJ?
Interesting na. Pero, teka, napaisip ako dun eh. Kasi yung konsepto nung benevolence and evil, there's a large part of that kasi na subjective din eh. Diba? I
Mhm.
mean, in the sense na, kunwari inisip mo yung alien na off the top of my head, kunwari, parang yung alien sa Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy. They were
Mm.
building a highway and Earth was in the way. Pasabukin natin yung Earth, 'di ba? Parang are they malevolent? Hindi. They're just doing their job, 'di ba? At saka, and I know this is a can of worms and this is completely different discussion. Even how we treat other animals on Earth, 'di ba? Na
Mm.
the way we treat the animals that we consume or
Yeah.
or in general, 'di ba? Yung and there's a wide gamut there na kunwari off the top of my head kunwari yung mga hunters, 'di ba?
Mhm.
Merong konsepto ng hunter na pag nagha-hunt sila, they treat the animal as an equal na pag
Oh.
napatay kita, nagbibigay akong pasalamat na pumayag ka na kainin kita. Parang ganyan
Mm.
or meron din naman na yun, na balewala. Parang beef. 'Di ba? So basically or yeah, that again is a can of worms and let's not go into that, 'di ba? If I eat a hamburger, does that make me an evil person? 'Di ba? Maraming
Mhm.
ganong ethical consideration. And all of this hinges on the presumption that our ethics and our philosophy is is the same as or at least resonant with how aliens might think. And we don't know what they might be thinking, 'di ba? We don't know
Yeah.
how they think at all.
Oh.
Ooh.
Ano yan Charles? show it to us. Ano yan?
Wala.
The
Aba,
drawing. These are the
yeah.
Flogons. They're the alien species that
Oh,
blew
the
up the
yes,
Earth.
oo nga, the Gorgon, yes.
The Flogons.
Yeah.
Oo
So,
nga. Hindi ko
so
na
They're the ones who blew up the Earth to make a highway.
ang bilis ah.
Hitchhiker's Guide of the Galaxy. No,
Yeah.
I already drew that before. Doon ko rin
Yeah.
kasi nakuha yung theory na baka we're not actually the most advanced species. Because in Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, the most advanced species on Earth are actually the dolphins.
Mm.
That's why they sing na parang they were singing that they were gonna leave Earth because it's gonna be destroyed.
Okay.
Hindi lang maintindihan ng mga tao.
Oh, how about you, Camilla?
I just like to think na if may aliens talaga, I just wanted and I like to think na they won't care about us because they have their own lives and they have their own society to maintain. And yeah, I think we all just wanted to survive and they also just wanted to survive. And I'd like to think that it would be best for them and would be best for us to just let us be. And wala talaga silang pake sa atin. Unless they have dwindling resources and they wanted to get our resources. But I still want to think and I still like to think that in general, wala talaga silang pake sa atin.
Yeah, I think if ever they need minerals, I think the asteroid belt would be sufficient kung ano bang kailangan nila doon. Am I correct? Doon, I don't know. I think everything you can find here on Earth might be available there too. So unahin na nila 'yon. I don't know. But okay, let's we're about to hit 2 hours. Let's end this with our final statements. Okay? So mauna ka na, Charles.
So when it comes to the aliens, they might be out there, one species or two, and they might be conspiring in the shadows. For me, I hope I get to see what happens. Kasi baka nga ang tagal pa ng plano nila, nag-aantay pa ng Uber, ng Grab yung armada nila papunta rito. At tagal-tagal pa yung ETA nila, kaya tambay muna sila rito. Kasi, yun nga, in the theory of relativity, the time spent by them and the time we experience might not be the same. So we're not sure if they're here. But if they're coming, I hope I get to see it. Even if I get disintegrated, I'm like, oh, that's cool.
Okay.
So
Anything
I
else?
think that's it for me.
All right. How about you, Camilla?
Yeah, for funsies, I just like to say na aliens do exist. If we use the term aliens loosely, there are aliens. There are aliens that are classified. We have this thing called invasive alien species in ecology. In
Oh.
that, when you introduce a species na hindi native dun sa isang environment, and wala silang predators, so they could wreak havoc to the balance of things sa environment na yun, and makakapag-bring about sila ng change sa environment na yun. For example, sa atin, ang examples nun would be yung water hyacinth sa Laguna de Bay, and janitor fishes, and even the mahoganies are considered invasive species.
Yeah.
They're alien species. And I still wanted to think and believe na aliens don't care about us if they do exist. And as humans, we don't really have to wait for them and ask for them to help us, because we could do the rebuilding and do the growth ourselves, and we could make make Earth a better place by ourselves. Don't need to ask for help from extraterrestrials. And we could also destroy Earth ourselves. We don't have to ask for extraterrestrials to do that for us.
Hindi tayo lalampas sa Great Filter. Ganun ba? Anyway, how about you, TJ?
Jumping off of everything that's been said, ako lang, we don't know if and when aliens will be openly revealed to us. But I think it's how we react to that revelation will speak more about us than it does about them.
All right, that's it. Okay. Ako naman, we'll find out when we see them. 'Di ba? Parang kasi right now we don't even know what they are. What if they're just holograms? So what if they're just mist? What if they're just or energy, or maybe they're like us? Although sinasabi nila may mga gray aliens daw tsaka reptilians. But we'll find out kung what they are, if they present themselves. By then we can assess if we can do anything, or they just lay dead. Just do as you please. Bahala
Bend
kayo.
over.
'Di ba? 'Di ba? So that's until we see them, then we cannot really prepare for them. We're gonna keep watching yung mga revelations. Hopefully yung ibang mga bansa would follow suit and reveal their files as well, 'di ba? Para malay mo the same things are also seen somewhere else. So we can cross reference. And I think it will be beneficial to humanity if malaman natin kung meron ba talaga o wala. Kung mga top secret technology lang to ng mga bansa, ng China, ng Russia, ng Iran, ng Amerika, 'di ba? It will be nice to know, but strategically that's a different conversation naman, kasi why would you reveal it kung top secret nga? So, bottom line, just like just like normal, wala pa rin tayong magawa as normal people. We're still at the mercy of these of
The
our
Illuminati.
diba? The Illuminati, so to speak. Okay, until we see the aliens ourselves na talagang nandun na, then we'll find out, I suppose. Okay.
Maybe we should
So-
send an invitation before we go.
Oh.
Like,
Yes.
since we're broadcasting, maybe they can hear us.
do the honors, Charles.
Here,
Do the honors. What would you tell the aliens? Ano sasabihin mo sa
Baka ako
aliens?
unang bisitahin, natatakot ako.
Anyway,
Tumatok sa akin.
oo. Pero it would be really interesting to see. Pero ang creepy kasi ng mga depictions ng alien eh. Di ba yung sinasabi nga nung iba, they might be parang future humans na nag-time travel, na parang yun ang final form ng
Yeah.
ng
Ano?
humans, magiging gray ka. Ganon. Di ba? But I don't know. There's still a lot of things that we didn't discuss about aliens in this episode. But let's leave it at that. Again, thank you guys, Camila, Charles, and TJ. Let's do this again pag meron ulit mga balita tungkol dito sa ka-alienan na to. Okay.
Yeah.
Ito na lang invitation.
Alien!
Ito na invitation. I can
Ayan.
Alien!
anyone out there,
Yeah.
anyone out there has any proof, maybe they can come to this podcast.
Yeah.
If
And
they have proof to present.
yeah, the people in the hindi na pasensya na hindi ko na kayo na nabanggit kasi nag-uusap kami. Alam niyo naman dito, 'di ba? Hindi naman sa suplada, nandito sina Dadada, si Robin, Crucena, Jerome, and others. Okay. So yun muna. Salamat. Paalam.
Salamat din. Thank you.
Alien.
Thank you so much!
Alien.
Yeah.
Alien.